Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add multiple photos on Instagram story. So first you need to open your Instagram app. Now tap on your story here and select a random picture to upload as your story. Now you need to click on this three dot icon on the top right corner and select draw. Here you can see in the bottom here are lots of ingredient and colors, gradient colors. You need to select which color you want from here. I want to select this blue color, and you need to tap on your screen for a couple of seconds and your background will be blue, or which color you select from here your background will be that. Now you need to click on this tick mark. As you can see here, your screen is now full blue. Here you need to tap on this smile face icon now and scroll down. You need to select this plus icon. Here you can see the photos from your gallery, and you can add these photos and place it here like you want, and you can go there again and select as many pictures as you want and place them and resize them like how you like to. You can do it for multiple times and add more pictures of you. Now after adding these pictures and placing them, you need to click on this right in this button and you need to click on share, and then your story will be uploaded and you can add multiple photos. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.